In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art with Displace and Decimate modifiers. We could achieve a similar look only by using the Displace modifier, but I found this method is better. This is the end result. The mesh used is a cube, and I have created 2-point lights to light up the scene from the inside. The camera is nesting inside the cube as well. The subsurf modifier was also used to smooth the mesh. The creation of this mesh can be fully animated by keyframing the modifier settings. Here are my settings. I'll show you how the cube was created. I have used triangular faces to create sophisticated-looking spikes. After creating a cube, press Tab to go to Edit mode, and subdivide the mesh by right-clicking and typing S. Type 3 to face select. Let's poke the faces. After that I subdivided the cube, and added the rest of the modifiers. But this cube looks different than the original one, doesn't it? Let's add a decimate modifier. To achieve the original cube's look, we must change the Displace modifier's direction like this. By reducing the ratio, we can get a low polygon illusion that can be animated. Such meshes can serve well as background objects for various projects. The camera was placed on the inside, and 2-point lights were created because the external lights were completely blocked. This is how the scene looks from the inside. This was my environment light setting, but the HDRI light was blocked. Here are the lights. I'll show you why I have added 2 lights that are using different colors. Let's turn them off one by one to see what they would do. Please add more lights, if you like. Also, please try different color combinations. I have turned off use nodes under compositing, and used 32 samples to render the scene. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.